So once you have your design how you want, show you how to make your own projector out of a cardboard box and some tape and a plastic sheet. Okay, so to make your own projector box, just get a box, and then I cut out the front of it where I taped on the plastic piece with the drawing on there. I put this other piece on there just to reduce the light coming out, so it'll focus on this spot right here. And all you need is your cell phone or any source of light. So let me shut the lights off here and show you how you can project this onto here. Take your box and your light and work it back and forth to get it the clarity and the size that you want. I'm using this overhead projector that I picked up at a thrift store just for this purpose. Coming up with the shape you want. I drew them small. This is freehand oval. So once you have your design how you want, draw this on this overlay. Let's transfer our shape onto our plastic. I use the ink pen for my outline just so it's thinner. When I project it onto the wall, I'll use a Sharpie. Just double check your work. Make sure you like it. So right now, all I'm going to do is focus on drawing the outside of this pattern. I like that shape. I'm going to make some changes to the sides, make these a little thicker. So that's what I'm going to work on. So remember, it's not permanent, so make your changes whatever you need to your pattern so you'll be satisfied when you're cutting it out. On this pattern, the lines are a lot thicker because I used a Sharpie. On the first pattern, I used a pencil or a pen on that plastic sheet. Here, I'm going to pick the outside of this line and the inside of this line right here. If you're ever confused on which way the router should go, the inside edge, you're going to go clockwise. The outside edge, you're going to go counterclockwise. If that doesn't work for you, stick your thumb where you're routing and point your finger. That's the way you need to go. Woo, it is hot. It's over 100 degrees in here right now.